Hi, Grass Lake Gators. This is Mrs. Wallace, your school librarian. I am excited to share with you today a video tutorial on how to put books on hold using Destiny Discover and Microsoft Forms. Here at Grass Lake, we are starting curbside pickup for Grass Lake Library books on Thursday, October 22nd. And this video will show you how to put books on hold. If I am logged into a Kent School District computer, all I need to do is go down to the Start menu and open up Google Chrome. I should open up to a Grass Lake homepage. If not, you can go to this web address up at the top. If you start on another school's page or the district homepage, you can easily get to Grass Lake by coming over here and clicking on Select a School. Once you're on the Grass Lake homepage, you want to go up to Teaching and Learning and click on Library. That will take us to the Grass Lake Destiny homepage. Destiny is the company that runs our catalog, but what we want to get to is Destiny Discover, because we would like to discover some books to read. Here we are. This is our generic page where you can search for all of the library books at Grass Lake. However, until you log in, you won't be able to put any on hold. So when you get to this page, you want to go up to the right-hand corner and click Log In. If you're logged into your Kent School District computer, all you need to do is click on Kent School District 415, and it will automatically log you in. If you're using a different computer or an iPad, you just need to click on that button and input the information that you use to log into your computer every day. Once I'm on this web page, you can see it's all yellow in the background, and you should see your name up in the upper right-hand corner. That tells you that you are logged in. You can start putting books on hold. If you run into any kind of trouble, here is our contact information in the library. Myself or Mrs. Erickson are more than happy to help you. You can contact us here or through Teams chat. Announcements for the library will always be right here. Since we're just starting out, there's a few announcements right now. It goes through how many books you can put on hold, which is 3, how many books you can have checked out at a time, which is 3, and how long you can have books checked out for. 1 week, and they're due back the following Thursday. If you are in grades 4 through 6, you have a limit of only 1 battle book checked out at a time. If you are in grades 3 through 6, you are allowed 1 graphic novel at a time. And if you are a 5th or 6th grader who are in the Your Favorite Newberry group, you know who you are allowed 1 of those books at a time. All right, let's get to putting books on hold. The easiest way to do this is to just use the search bar and type in the name of the book that you are interested in. If I'm looking for a battle book called Small Spaces, I just start typing that in. It will give me some options here at the bottom. I can click on the book I'm looking for and then click search. The book will come up. There it is. And all I need to do is push the hold button. If I make a mistake and I don't want that book, I just click unhold and my hold will be removed. Very easy if you know the name of the book that you're looking for. Well, let's say that you don't know the name of the book you're looking for, but you would like to get a battle book. I've put together some collections down here just under that search bar of different books that you could be looking for. If you click on the arrow over, you will get to the Battle of the Books collection. All you need to do is click on this collection. It will open onto a page that shows you all of the battle books for this year. And all you need to do is click on one of those to put it on hold. Same thing you did if you knew the title. It pops up. There it is. I put a hold on it and I can go and pick it up. Okay. Let's say I don't want a current battle book. I'm interested in a good book that maybe I haven't read yet, something that's an award winner. I can go back to this collection and take a look here. Underneath the medal with the Sasquatch in it are all of the previous battle books or other award-winning books for the state of Washington for students in grades 4 through 6. This collection goes back a few years for older battle books. They are some great books. They have all been vetted by librarians across the state of Washington. There's some great ones in there for you to look at. Okay, so you can put those on hold as well. Let's say that I want to, Let's say that I want to go back and look for something a little bit different. I just go back to Destiny Discover, and let's say now what I'd like to look for is something I'm in the mood for, a spooky story. If I scroll down to topics, I have some ideas here about what I can search for. If I click on scary stories, it's going to open up all of the books in our library that are appropriate for grades K through 6 that would fall under that spooky category. So if you are someone in 3rd or 4th grade, you may want to look through this list with a parent or guardian, since these books would also be appropriate for 6th graders. If you have questions, let me know. I am happy to help choose a book for you. All right, let's say that I've looked through the entire catalog and I still haven't found a good book for me. I can come up here and see if there's any that my teacher has recommended. We're starting to put in some teacher collections. If you have Mrs. Freeman, you can click on this list right here, and she has selected some of the Humphrey books, which are great for 3rd graders. You can look at this list even if you're not in Mrs. Freeman's class and put some of those on hold as well. Same thing, all you need to do is take a look at this list, click on the book, and it will let you know if you can put it on hold, and you should be able to no matter what. Hold, and there we go. Put that one on hold. Let's say that you have looked through this entire website and you still can't find a book that's good for you. Well, my friend, I'm glad you asked. Up here in the announcements is a link to a grade 3 through 6 form. All you do is click on that link and you can tell me exactly what you're looking for. And Mrs. Erickson and I will put together a list or put together 3 books, up to 3 books for you that work for you based on what you asked for. So you put in your first and last name, use the drop-down menu to put in your teacher, and then tell us what you're looking for. Maybe you want a nonfiction book about World War II or about the history of Washington. Or maybe you have a specific book that you would like, but you couldn't find it. Put it in here, and we will find that book for you. You can tell us a type of book you want. Maybe you're interested in something that you weren't able to find, but you know it's out there. Or maybe you want to give us a little more information and we will find a book for you. Once you've filled out this form, if you go all the way down to the bottom, your parent or guardian will let us know if yes, you are able to pick up the books on the next Thursday between 1 and 4, or if they need to schedule a different time with Mrs. Erickson. Our pickup times are always 1 to 4 in the afternoon, Monday through Friday. If you need to schedule a day other than this Thursday, let us know by clicking this button, and we will contact you with the information you put in this box and try to schedule another time. My friends, I'm excited that you are now able to check out books from the Grass Lake Library. If you have any questions at all about how to check out books or anything else, please contact us using this information here, and we look forward to seeing you at our book curbside pickup starting on October 22nd.